Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve customer service and streamline support requests, Zendesk is a powerful tool to help you manage interactions efficiently. Today, we'll go over how to implement customer support with Zendesk. Let's get started. Part 1. Setting up Zendesk. To get started, sign up for a Zendesk account and configure your help desk. Go to zendesk.com and create an account. Choose a plan that fits your business needs. Set up your support email, phone, and live chat options within the dashboard. Hack 2. Organizing support tickets. Zendesk uses a ticketing system to manage customer inquiries. Incoming messages from email, chat, or social media are automatically converted into tickets. Assign tickets to the right team members based on priority and expertise. Use automated workflows to categorize and escalate urgent issues. 3. Using the Help Center and AI chatbots. Enhance customer experience with self-service options. Create a Help Center with FAQs, guides, and tutorials to reduce repetitive inquiries. Use AI-powered chatbots to handle common questions and provide instant responses. Automate ticket routing to direct customers to the right agent. 4. Tracking performance with analytics. Measure support efficiency and customer satisfaction. Go to Reports, Analytics, to track key metrics like response time and resolution rates. Use customer feedback and satisfaction surveys to improve service quality. Adjust workflows based on data insights to enhance the support experience. 5. Integrating with other tools. Zendesk connects with CRM, e-commerce, and communication platforms. Integrate with tools like Salesforce, Slack, and Shopify for a seamless workflow. Sync customer data to personalize support interactions. Automate follow-ups and notifications to keep customers informed. Zendesk makes it easy to manage customer support efficiently, improving response times and satisfaction. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.